This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Darlene Clark. Beautiful updated pool home on Turnbull Bay with your own private boat ramp, boathouse, and fishing pier. Amazing water views. This large 4-bedroom, 4.5 bathroom home features master bedrooms both upstairs and downstairs with amazing views across the bay. Recent renovations include new windows, screen replacement on pool enclosure, garage doors, bathrooms, tankless water heater and whole house generator by Generac. The kitchen was remodeled in 2015 and features solid surface counters, upgraded cabinets and stainless appliances. This home is on more than half-acre of land set up to enjoy the spectacular waterfront with a large fenced backyard, storage space for RV/boat, pool, deck and dock with boat lift. Inside you'll find an open floor plan downstairs with a formal dining room, great room, kitchen and master bedroom, which has a huge walk-in closet. Double sliders open up to the pool deck for when the weather is nice. Oversized 2-car garage has a workshop/laundry room under air and an additional storage room. Upstairs has a large living room with built-in cabinets and closets with 3 additional bedrooms and bathrooms. There's also a hookup for upstairs laundry if desired. Front yard has plenty of parking space with a circle driveway. Strategic location makes for an easy trip to the best of New Smyrna Beach and Port Orange. Half mile to the NSB Sports Complex, 15 minutes to the Port Orange Pavilion, 3.5 miles to Canal Street, and 5 miles to Flagler Avenue and the beach. For more information, review the details below.